Hi, ma'am and sir. I am Emilia Puno. I am 51 years old. I am married. I have 4 children. My husband is a farmer. I'm a high school graduate too. My work experience are cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, marketing, washing clothes, and especially sending the kids to their school. I finished my contract on October 25, 2025. I am willing to take care of kids too. If the child or the baby are sick, I'm going to tell to my employer so that they can give medication or going to see the doctor. If my employers are not around, I can manage to do the household. If the children's around, I will give them some books to read or toys so that I can do my household chores. To maintain trust and good relationship to my employer, I will listen and communicate clearly and do quality of work, and I will respectful and honest of my work inside and outside to their house. To my future employer, please hire me. I am hardworking parents, trustworthy, and I will promise that I finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.